punta sa Municipal Hall hanggang nakaabot sa Marikina Science High School. Sabi namin, hindi lang pala school ang sasalubong sa atin, hindi lang pala divisions ng Marikina. Yung buong city po ng Marikina City, grabe po yung inspiration na binigay niya sa amin. Yung wellness po ay kalulugan ng pangangatawa at kaisipan.
We are able to compete first ever. 5 years maybe, we've been joining the competition for 5 years, and Dr. Sena has been telling me this is the first ever that Marikina, the division of Marikina City, has entered the national level.
Tiniklaim na namin yan, di ba, Marisay? Tiniklaim na namin yan, first time! Kaya dapat sa amin mapunta yan!
Just be happy today and gawin na yung pinaka-the best kasi syempre maraming preparation yan. Pero sabi ko sa kanila, do it, just do it, give our best shot. At ginawa naman talaga nila.
We're already in 6 years and I'm really inspired how the program progressed and embraced by the schools and how it changed the lives of the students, teachers, parents, and other members of the community.
Actually, we really created it this way. Sabi, hindi namin kaya, sorry po, hindi namin kaya 500 best practices na sinasabi sa amin. We can only do so much. We can only do so much. And we're not after quantity. But I know that you have witnessed the quality of the works of our students. And these came from their own brains, from their own minds, and from their hearts. I'm sure you know the heart of a Maricias, the heart of a true Marisay Marisay.
Hashtag health goals, health goal more. I wellness, health goal more. I wellness, health goal more. I wellness, health goal more. I wellness.
Malapit sa puso namin ang Marikina Science High School.
You make this program memorable not only to the students, to the parents, to all the stakeholders, including us, but for the rest of our lives, we will never forget what you have done to us this morning.
We are now in the right direction, working hand in hand in building a stronger and a better community, a better nation through this one famous program.
Dapat ang titingnan natin sa ating edukasyon ay ang pagtatatag hindi lamang ng kaisipan kundi ng puso na dapat ay buo at kasama.